getting ready to make some cashew milk, so I will be set for most of the week. Okay, blender is on, and I'm putting in 2 cups of cashews and 4 cups of water, and that's filtered water. And let's get started. It really doesn't take that long if you're using a high-powered blender. It doesn't necessarily have to be a Vitamix. It's just my blender of choice. I've used Vitamix for years. And I'm going to add some organic sunflower lecithin. And you might ask, why am I doing that? Because I don't want my milk to separate, and that keeps it from separating because it's an emulsifier. All right, now let's get that. I'm not going to turn it up really high. Just want it to blend. Now I do not add sweetener to mine for the simple reason, if I'm making a shake or if I'm having freshly flaked oatmeal one morning, whatever. I don't want my milk sweet if I'm adding a sweetener to something else. That's just too sweet for me. Well, that's completed. Enjoy your day. God bless you.